In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to track revenue and sales from your course, and do it in a way that's quick and easy to follow. Whether you're just starting out or already running a course, understanding how to track your revenue and sales is crucial for growth, profitability, and making informed business decisions. Stick around till the end because I'll share a tool I personally use, which will make tracking much simpler. And there's a special free trial just for you if you want to follow along. Tracking revenue and sales from your course starts with knowing where all your data is coming from. First, set up the right tools to collect the data. You'll need a reliable platform that integrates with your course system to track sales, revenue, and customer actions automatically. Now, most popular course platforms do offer built-in analytics, but here's the thing, sometimes they don't give you the full picture. You'll need more advanced tracking if you want to know how much money you're making and where it's coming from. Next, focus on key metrics that matter. Track your total sales and revenue over time, but also look deeper at things like conversion rates. How many visitors are actually buying your course? Average revenue per user is another important number. It helps you understand how much each person is worth to your business on average. If you see a dip, you can react fast. Another important metric is refund rates. Refunds can eat into your profits, so you want to track how many refunds you're getting and figure out why. If it's high, this could be an indication that either your course isn't resonating or maybe there's a problem with the purchase process. Either way, you want to know this data. Now, I've tried a bunch of the most popular software tools for tracking revenue and sales, but the software we're going to use today is my personal favorite. It tracks every sale and gives you an easy-to-read dashboard. And the best part, it integrates seamlessly with your course platform, so no more manually entering data. This software tracks your revenue and sales in real time, so you'll always know exactly where you stand financially. Another useful feature of this software is automated reporting. You can set up weekly or monthly reports that give you a clear picture of your revenue, your sales numbers, and any trends you should be aware of. The ability to set up custom reports makes it easy to stay on top of your goals and adjust your strategy as needed. Now, let's talk about the next step, setting goals and measuring your progress. It's not enough to just track sales. You need to set goals for how much revenue you want to generate over a certain period and then break that down into actionable steps. Tracking your sales data regularly lets you see whether you're on track to meet those goals. Here's the key takeaway. To effectively track your revenue and sales, you need to use a software that collects all your data automatically, tracks key metrics, and gives you the insights you need to make informed decisions. This way, you can make adjustments to your course, your marketing strategies, and your overall business model to keep things growing. Quick revision. Use the right tools to collect and analyze your data, track sales, revenue, and key metrics like conversion rates and refunds, and make sure you're always staying on top of your goals. Lastly, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. This software will save you time, give you all the data you need, and help you scale your course. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to grab that free trial and start tracking your revenue and sales with ease. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.